Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve juicy chicken thighs in the oven. They're so juicy, you guys, and the step that I take to make these chicken thighs are different. This is my first time using that method and it works so good on these chicken thighs. So if you want to see it, be sure to keep on watching. Like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you are new to Island Vibe Cooking. Without further ado, let's make it. To begin, we're going to start with some clean chicken thighs. We're going to add some olive oil on it. That's what's going to make it nice and juicy once it is done. And also I left the fat on the chicken thigh. I did not remove them. Leave the fat. That will make it nice and juicy, okay? So now I am going to add paprika. I just love paprika. I am going to add a whole bunch. Be sure to check the description box below. Of course, I will make sure to leave the exact measurement there for you guys. Now, I am adding some onion powder. Just add that all over the chicken. Next, I'm adding some garlic powder. I love the garlicky flavor on chicken, so I just add enough. You know, if you don't like garlicky chicken, do not add a whole bunch, okay? I just love garlic flavor, so add that in there. Now this is another amazing seasoning I'm adding in there. I love that seasoning, just love it. I will leave it down below, check it out. Now I'm adding thyme. I love thyme and chicken as well, so add your thyme in there. And now I'll be adding a little bit of Creole seasoning. You can't go wrong with that. Just add that in there. Mix it all up together with your hands. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Just mix it up. And also I left the skin on the chicken. It's because I want, you want to cover the chicken so it's nice and juicy. It's not dry. The skin will protect it from being dry. Now in a skillet, I added a little bit of olive oil with some butter, and then I added my chicken on there. Now, this is my first time using this method, and trust me when I tell you, it works. Okay, we're going to sear the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes. Sear it back and front. So we're just gonna let it sear for a little bit. Now it's time for me to flip the chicken over. Just flip it over so the other side can be nice and golden brown as well, okay? Now you see the color it's giving you. Trust me, it's not burnt. It's just the seasoning. Once the seasoning hit the oil, it's just caramelized and it gives you that dark color. And I love that color as well. It's just gonna make the chicken taste good, you know. Just let that sear for about 2 minutes and then we'll take it out, okay? All right, now it's time for me to take the chicken out. Let me show you guys how the chicken looks. You see how it's golden brown? Now, when we sear the chicken, when we put it in the oven, it's not gonna take as much time to dry out. So once we did that before we put it in the oven, it's gonna take less time to dry out. Instead of leaving the chicken in the oven for too long, that will kind of help us reduce the drying time. This is the chicken. I am about to bake it on 400 degrees for exactly 30 minutes, okay? Once they come out, this is how they look. You see it's sizzling, it's nice and juicy, and all that juice is from the chicken, okay? So I am going to take all that juice and pour it all over the chicken, and basically this is your chicken. And you know what this chicken reminds me of? It reminds me of like La Granja, like Pollo Tropical type of chicken. It just, that's the flavor it was giving me. I'm like, maybe there's some of those, there's some of those seasoning they use in there. But this is it, you guys. This is the chicken. It's nice and juicy. And once you cut through this chicken, honey, there's no dry chicken up in here. You got yourself some juicy chicken. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you have any question for me regarding this video, be sure to leave it down below, guys. And of course, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. And now I am going to cut it for you guys. See, it's nice and juicy white meat. Yes, this is it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure you subscribe, like the video, please, guys. I am begging you, please like the video so I can make more juicy chicken for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.